All right, so I am here with Nathan, I'm here with Kevin. We're at Datanomix and we're talking about the power of partnerships. We're talking about cutting tool analytics. What led you to partner with the team at Datanomix?
That's a great question. So what we looked at was really bringing the best of the best together. And so how do we take the leader in supply chain solutions and couple that with a leader in product or production monitoring, and how do we bring that together and then revolutionize that with a new product that we could come out with around tool cost?
Yeah, well that makes a lot of sense. So I know working for the distributorship where you are, that would make a good value add for your platform. So what about the more detail side of it? Like what's this unit gonna look like, this partnership? How's that gonna look? Absolutely.
So what we're going to do is we're building out a module that will work with the Datanomix platform, and it'll actually feed data from that platform along with some other analytics that we're putting into it that will actually give the end user that cost per unit produced.
Well, that is beautiful. I mean, they've got a great system at Datanomix. I've loved getting to learn a little bit more. The fact that they can add the cutting tool analysis to this is just going to upgrade it to that next level, that superpower kind of software. So I would like to hear a little bit from Kevin as well, your partner in crime right next to you.
Absolutely, Kevin.
Thank you. So with the tooling CPU analytics, what we're trying to achieve is using the Datanomix platform to really help our customers understand more about their tool cost as it relates to the manufacturing process. From that information, we can work to drive those costs down and achieve what all customers want, right, is by driving that cost down. We can identify both where tools may not be performing to the expected levels based on their current productivity or process. And we can also identify opportunities where new technology in the marketplace or new tools are available and can drive that baseline down for our customers.
So you're going to be able to take the power of their data collection, utilize it now to get your cost per unit for your tooling. So you're going to really help the shop owners out there that might be a little bit confused between the difference between cost and price. You're going to make it clear as day. If they're employing Datanomix, they're going to see it on paper right away.
Absolutely. Our whole goal is to really help the customer understand what that overall cost is with the tooling associated with the Datanomix platform, so we can understand the whole machining process.
So you're going to get all the data, you're going to show them real world numbers that they can use to reduce their costs, you're going to improve their margins and their profitability. I think that's a win for all the machine shops.